This is our first vending machine experience. We are trying to take an ice cream from the vending machine. Trying to figure out how to take it because everything is in Japanese. 1,000 yen gone. We are not even sure whether this machine will give us the change back because in Japan it's always no change.
It will, yeah.
I can't understand anything from where the ice cream will come, from where the change will come. Okay, change has come. Good. One thing has come out.
Yeah, here it is, 800 bucks.
500 yen coin. 100 yen coin. And where is the ice cream? Oh, super! This is our ice cream. Now let's open and see if it matches with the picture. Perfect match.